Casa de Lavra is the reflection of the relation that architecture can create between the space and the client. No house is the same, and in this one in particular, the architect Ricardo Azevedo realized that he drew the project enthusiastically at the site. The sooner the architect knew the reality and the people, the quicker the lines slid from the sketch to the execution, without intermediate stages. The evolution of the project has its baseline on the resolution of problems who were identified in an analysis of the pre-existence. A house from the 80s, with a traditional line, archways, a plinth where the house landed, and a garden around it. Usually, when we think about architectural rehabilitation, there is a thought about history. However, there are a lot of constructions without architectural value, which was the case. The relation between inside/outside was non-existent. There was a feeling of distance between the realities. There was a need to connect these two environments in order to emerge and become one. The inside becomes the outside, and the opposite as well, within the relations of the program. Therefore, the concept of the project sits on the will of being simultaneously inside and outside without identifying its limits. When it comes to the house distribution, the strategy was to unify and gather all the program sections by order. The suites are given the sense of quiet and privacy needed, while the living rooms connect in harmony with the charming pool area, which unfolds in different levels with exquisite materials and a wall which converts into a waterfall, providing a relaxing water sound. The exception to the rule is in the living room, which transforms itself into a porch. A sculpture by Paulo Neves, when opened, gives us a wine-tasting experience, a carved door, an organic feeling, which provides an amazing experience within the outside garden. The lobby, the expansion of the living area, and a new social volume define the three clear volumes that are elevated from the base, without breaking the relation with the predicted nature. This expansion of the program is a reinforcement of the intention of linking the inside and the outside. Thinking about the involving nature bring us to a sensory game within the different spaces. Which one of them belongs to a specific environment, seen by the chosen species and its character? For instance, we can see the social aspect surrounded by the tropical greenery and the grained marble, which gives the inside of the house a distinct atmosphere. It is the house of a gardener, a man who belongs to the trees, to the cedar, to the maples, to the air breeze. The house can't contain him. These spaces convert themselves into a house without walls. The garden was a blank space that the client shaped as a sculptor craves a rough stone into a diamond.